Welcome back, my friends. And in this module, we're going to cover how we can use Gemini with Docs. So let's get inside Docs and see what are the different things which we can explore over there. I'm inside my Google Docs service, and we're going to click on blank document. It gives us this Gemini toolbar preloaded over here. And in case this doesn't show up, we can call the service using this pen icon over here. I'm going to click on create a document. It gives us some, formats which we can use directly. I could say it's more of prompts which you can directly implement. I'm going to create a blog article on how to use Gemini with Google Workspace, and let it process this. All right, so it's built this article for me. Right now, I'm not going to read through the whole article, but I just want to show you that it's simple and, it's built up a 5-page document for me. Now, if I don't like something, I want to change this, right? For example, I don't like this content written over here. I can click on it and I can say refine text. I can say, okay, rephrase it, shorten it, make it more formal, more casual, bulletarize, summarize, right? So there are some options which it gives me to modify things which is already just written by us. Right? So that's another cool part of it, that not only generates, but we can take certain sections of it and edit it when we need to change things. Right? So same way, that's something which it can help us with. So this is creation of documents. Okay, next we'll look at other options which are there with Gemini and Docs which we can use. Next, we're going to try out the summarization capability, and I'm going to open a new document, and then I'm going to copy paste stories first chapter. So I have a ready with story from which I picked up the first chapter, and now I want Gemini to summarize this. Let's try that out. Now I want to remove a summary of this, so I'm going to click on the icon over here, and I tried this a minute back, so it's showing me over here as well. But I can now just put it over here that summarize this content. Sometimes it will automatically do that also. If not, you can just put in the query and it will, create the summary for me. So if it's a long, document, you can ask for a brief summary and then you can go further. You can ask questions to it and it'll answer, right? So there are some key things which we get out from the Gemini service over here. So this is a story, so not really something where I can, really get benefit out of creating bullets, but you can also otherwise, if you have a long content, right, you can ask Gemini to bulletize also and put it in bullets and give it to you, but that's not much of a use in this case. Just pointing out the feature right now. Next, we will try out the image generation service in this, and I'm going to put up a prompt, create and insert images as per the story in document, and let's see what it does for us. Oh, so it says that it can't do this. But it looks like this is going to be an upcoming feature and still not available. But when we probe Gemini over here, right, it said that it does image generation. So just want to highlight that in the first phase, right, where we just prompted Gemini to show us what it can do. It has this image generation. I guess this is an upcoming feature, and this also shows, right, sometimes your LLMs can, create hallucination or, offer things which may not be available as of now. So I'm coming back. What I've done is now I've tried out the image generation over here inside the Gemini app directly, and I've asked it to create some images of as per the story, and I've pasted the story summary on top. So what I did was the summary which was created in the doc over here, right? I've copied that and pasted, and then it generated this image. And then I further prompted it that, okay, image is good, but I want to see the characters on the bridge. So they added the full characters of the story inside the bridge. Right? So we can generate images now, but not yet directly inside the docs. Right? So that's our upcoming feature. Also, do subscribe to my channel. A lot of effort goes in building these videos for you all. So your subscription will be a great support to me. So thank you everyone for watching this video. See you in the next one.